Did a quick search for Maui massage therapist, which is one of the #1 terms for getting a massage in Maui, Hawaii. It's extremely competitive. There are thousands of massage therapists competing for the top slot in Google. And I just wanted to point out that I'm currently not signed into Google, so my results are not being tailored or skewed in any way because I'm not signed out, or I'm not signed in, excuse me. And so right here, Ashiatsu Maui Massage and Wellness, this is my client. I worked with her on SEO in the last year. She's now ranking #2 on maps for Maui Massage Therapist. And if you scroll a little bit farther after TripAdvisor, we see Studio Health Maui. I also built this website and I optimized it for my clients, and they are ranking basically at the top of organic results here in the #2 slot for this incredibly competitive keyword, Maui Massage Therapist. Now I can also show you some results for Paia Massage. Let's look here. We've got Ashiatsu Maui Massage. We've got Aloha. We've got, let's see what's coming up. Ashiatsu. Maui Prana Massage. This is one of my clients right here. So a little bit farther down, not quite #1, but they're doing really well. Again, Ashiatsu Maui Massage is really crushing it with the keywords and the SEO, and we did extensive SEO for her website earlier this year. So again, she's ranking here in organic listing. A few farther slots is right here, my client Maui Prana Massage. So if you want to rank in Google and you're a local business and you need clients to walk through your storefront, please contact me. I would love to help you rank in Google for keywords that are competitive. I know what I'm doing. I'm an SEO expert. I'm a website expert who's been building websites for 25 years, and my biggest joy in life is helping you and your business thrive. Aloha.